another example of how Haas is helping our customers with their shop support needs besides just CNC machine tools. In this case, it's our new bandsaw. This is the HB-3232. This is a 12.6 by 12.6 inch capacity automatic bandsaw. Has both automatic and manual modes. As you can see, these guys here are working with the touchscreen controls. Pretty intuitive system. Here you can, of course, program your part size, material types, quantities, cut lengths, all those things. And what's cool about this saw is that it's always monitoring the load going to the motors. So it is always auto-adjusting the feed rate depending on what the load is, what the section of material you're cutting through at that time is. It's also got hydraulic blade tensioning, so you're not doing that manually and risking over or under tightening the blade. It's got a chip conveyor off the side here, you can see. You'll see the 2-meter long roller table where you can roll in your raw stock. So this is Haas's first entry into the bandsaw market. HB-3232, list price $29,000. Let's go check out the next machine.